Ever dreamed of making YouTube videos without typing a single word? I'm about to show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to go from a blank idea to a complete YouTube script, step by step. First up, I just open ChatGPT and ask, give me video ideas for a Faceless AI Tools YouTube channel. Instantly, it spits out a fresh list of trending topics all tailored to what people actually want to watch. I scan through, pick one that sparks my interest, and boom, I've got my next video topic. Next, I take that topic and tell ChatGPT, create a full YouTube script for your chosen title in this format, hook intro sections and call to action. And just like that, it maps out the whole video for me, making sure every part flows and viewers stick around till the end. But here's the real magic. Want the script to sound more casual, like those snappy YouTube shorts you keep scrolling through? I just prompt, rewrite this script to sound like a YouTube Shorts narrator. Prefer it educational or super professional? Simple. Make it educational and professional. I can tweak and adjust the tone as much as I want until it feels just right for me and my audience. Plus, I can add my own examples, shout out my favorite AI tools, or slip in affiliate links right in the script. That means every video is custom, personal, and, if you want, monetizable. At this point, I've got a complete, ready-to-record script. No more staring at a blank page or overthinking the intro. And for voiceover, I can use tools like 11 Labs to generate audio or turn the script into a full video with Pictory or InVideo, no camera needed. By the way, if you want the exact prompt pack I use, check out the link in the description. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite AI writing tool. I love seeing what you all are experimenting with. And if you want more daily tips on using AI for YouTube, make sure to hit subscribe. Making YouTube videos has never been this easy. Go try it out and watch your channel come to life. One AI-powered script at a time.